Hello everyone. Today we are learning how to write a letter to the editor. What is a letter to the editor? A letter to the editor is a written way of talking to a newspaper, magazine, or other regularly printed publication to share your concerns. There are many reasons to write a letter to the editor. You are angry about something and you want others to know it. You think that an issue is so important that you have to speak out. You can suggest an idea to others. You can influence public opinion. You can educate the public on a specific matter. Publicize the work of your group and attract volunteers or program participants. Let us understand how we write a letter to the editor. Formal salutation. Start the letter with a respectful greeting such as "Dear Editor" to establish a polite tone. State your opinion clearly. Explicitly present your opinion or concern about the article or issue at the beginning of your letter. Back up your viewpoint with concise arguments or relevant examples for stronger impact. End the letter by thanking the editor and including your name and contact information for follow-up. Don't worry if you don't know the editor's name. To the editor of the Daily News or just to the editor is sufficient. If you have the editor's name, however, you should use it to increase the possibilities of your letter to be read. Here are a few sample opening lines you can use for any letter written to the editor. Like you can write, "Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw attention to the problem," whatever you want to write. "I am writing to express my concern about." This letter is to highlight the urgent need for. These are the sample opening lines. You can reuse them. The body of the letter can be organized in 3 paragraphs: introduction, main content, and conclusion. Introduction should be like state the purpose of your writing. Main content, explain the issue, give facts, examples, express your opinion. You can even share your arguments over here. Conclusion, you can suggest a solution or request an action. Complimentary close, you can write "yours sincerely," "yours truly," or just "sincerely" is fine. Here is a format: sender's address, date, the editor's address, the editor, name of the newspaper, city name, subject. Subject should be short, clear, title of the issue. Salutation, respected sir, madam. Body of the letter, organized in 3 paragraphs: introduction, main content, conclusion. Complimentary close, yours sincerely. Your name, you should write your full name. You can even give your contact or your email address if you want a reply. Let us read a sample. "I am writing to express my concern about the rising pollution in our city. Every day I see garbage on the streets and smoke from the vehicles. This affects our health and the environment. I believe the government should take stronger action and teach citizens to keep our surroundings clean. Thank you for reading my letter." I have highlighted a few lines in this. These lines can be repeated in any of the letters to the editor. Like, "I am writing to express my concern about the problem. This affects," again, it's an argument. "I believe," it's what you want to say, your opinion. "Thank you for reading my letter." This is also a sentence which can be repeated in other letters. "Sincerely, your name." Again, one more sample. To the editor, I am writing to express my thoughts on this issue matters because, in my opinion, I believe that. Thank you for reading my letter sincerely. These sentences can be repeated in any letter to the editor.